If you have been uploading your videos directly as public, you might be making a huge mistake, and this mistake could be the reason you are not getting more views on YouTube. And this small mistake is costing you views, subscribers, and watch hours on YouTube. And so in today's video, I will show you how to upload your videos the right way, so the YouTube algorithm will push your videos to the right audience, therefore helping you to get more views on your videos. Now, when you want to upload your video, you will see private, unlisted, as you can see clearly on the screen. The first one is the private over here, and then you see unlisted down there. Okay, the next one is you also see public, but the mistake most people do is that they select this public, and that could be causing your views, your watch hours, and that of your subscribers. There comes the schedule over here. That is very important. And so if you are a new YouTuber, please do well to watch this video so carefully to know the right way to upload your videos for the algorithm to push them to the right audience to help you get more views. Now, most YouTubers choose public without thinking twice, and that's a big mistake, a very big mistake, because it doesn't give the YouTube algorithm enough time to process your video. You know, whenever you publish a video and you want to get more views, you should give the YouTube algorithm more time to process and assess your video to know the right people to recommend your videos to. So these are the things the YouTube algorithm actually assess on your video. The first one is that it needs to process your title, the tags you've used, and that of the description and everything about the video to know which people will actually be in need of your video. Now, if you don't take time and give the YouTube algorithm time to do all these, and then you straight away publish to public, the YouTube algorithm might recommend your video to the wrong people. Therefore, these people are not going to watch your video, and it is going to cost you massively. Now, imagine I am not a fan of football, and then when I open my YouTube application, YouTube sends me or recommends to me a football video. Now, I am not going to watch the video. And even if I click on the thumbnail, I will not be watching the video, and it's going to throw a negative signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is not interested, and so people are not having interest in the video, and that is the reason people are not watching. But that could not be the case. But the case is that the YouTube algorithm is not recommending to the right audience, the right people. For all you know, there is this person right there waiting patiently to get a recommendation on a football video, so the person watches the video from start till the end. And that is the reason I am making this particular video, for you, to help you know the right way to upload your videos to get more views on your YouTube videos. Now, before I take you to the YouTube studio to actually show you what you need to do, there's this mistake most people actually make when they are uploading their videos. Now, if you're a YouTuber, do not be uploading your videos with the YouTube Studio application or the YouTube application itself. No, YouTube will not even actually be knowing the right people to recommend your videos to when you use these two applications to upload your videos, because there are certain features. That is, when you are uploading your video, there are certain features that the YouTube algorithm would need to actually be checking. But for all you know, these tools are not having them. Now, when you upload a video with a YouTube Studio and that of the YouTube application, your videos are not going to be broadcasted to your audience. They are not going to be shared or recommended to your subscribers, and that is going to cost you negatively. So whenever you're uploading a video, please do well to use a Chrome browser. It's very important, and it's going to help you a lot. And so let's go straight away to the YouTube studio. I'm going to show you exactly what to do and the right way to upload your video to get more views on YouTube. So now, this is the first, when you're uploading a video, this is actually what is going to happen over there. So now you're going to see what we call the first one is the private. This is it. You're going to see private, and someone will ask, what is the meaning of the private? Now, the private says that only you and people you choose can watch your video, and that is it for the private. Okay, now let's move on to the unlisted. Anyone with a video link can watch your video. And so what this particular unlisted means is that sometimes you can publish a video, you're uploading the video will be there for people to watch, but it is only the people you share the link to that is going to have access to watch that particular video. The video wouldn't be there as public on your channel. So when people visit your channel, they may not see that, but when you share the link with other people, those people will be able to have access to the video and watch. Sometimes as a small YouTuber, it helps a lot because it will help you get few people to watch the video and give you maybe their reactions or the video as to whether the video is good or not good before you turn it to public for the rest of the audience to actually have access to it. And so that is it, and that is what makes it very, very, very important over here as the unlisted. Okay, the next one we are going to throw attention to is the public. As you can see over here, public. Now public means that everyone can watch this particular video, and that is to say that as soon as you click on public, all people on YouTube, anyone on YouTube at all, can have access to the public. And then we also have set as instant premiere. Over here you could see we have premiere here. This one is mostly used by the artists, those who sing and stuff like that, or maybe you would want to actually watch alongside with your audience. Okay, the video you've uploaded, you would want to watch it alongside with your audience. You can select the premiere and it's going to help you a lot. Now there comes the magic over here, the most important aspect that we're going to talk about over here, and that is the schedule. Very, very important as a YouTuber. This is what is always recommended for you to use to be able to schedule your video to a specific time. When you do that, you are giving the YouTube algorithm more time to actually assess your video. Okay, so this is what it means. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, for example, I'm making this particular video on the 5th day of June 2025, and you see, you are going to be able to schedule it to any date at all. Any date at all. Let's click the drop down over here. You could see, so you can be able to select any of these days. All right, but preferably make sure you give it about 24 hours. It's very, very important, about 24 hours before you upload the video. All right, and so you can select, let's say today is 5th, you can select cease as I've selected over here, and then what you do next is you select the time. So you are going to give it the actual time you want YouTube to actually show your video to the public out there. It's very, very important. So assuming you know that your audience are mostly online around 7 p.m. every day, 7 p.m. or let's say 12 noon, so you select the time over here. So assuming it's, let's say 2 o'clock in the morning, all right, assuming you have people who are always watching your video around, let's say 5 a.m. okay, 5 o'clock a.m. over here. So you select it 5 a.m. that is it, and now you are good to go. The next thing is that it's either you want to premiere the scheduled video or you want it to actually publish as public. But this time around, this public here, you have given the YouTube algorithm more time to actually assess and process your video. So within the 24 hours that YouTube is assessing your video and is trying to find out the right people who will be engaging your video. YouTube actually knows any one of us who will be able to engage on videos that we watch. Oh yes, they know our history on our phones and our devices. And so give YouTube algorithm more time. All right, so when you are done over here, the next thing is that you select schedule over here. As you can see clearly, you select schedule. That is it over here, schedule, and that is it. You are good to go. You have given the YouTube algorithm more time to actually assess and process your video for you to get more views and more watch hours, therefore helping you to get more subscribers over there. This private is very, very important. You see, when you put it on private over here, it is only you and the people you choose that can actually watch your video. And so advisably, I will recommend always when uploading your video, you either select unlisted, as you can see clearly over here. You select unlisted over here. Okay, this one will be there, but it will not be shown to the public, but only those you share the link with. Or you also select what we call the schedule option. Very, very important, so that you give the YouTube algorithm more time to actually assess and process your video, so it helps you to get more views over. That is it. It's as simple as that, and this is what all the big YouTubers have been doing and have been using, and that is what I have also been using over here. Yes, so that is it. Please put it into practice, and hey, it is going to help you get more views on YouTube. That is it, and that is the right way to upload your video on YouTube to get more views. If you found value as usual in this particular video, I'm sure you know what to do, right? Do click on the subscribe button right now. Be part of this wonderful family as I give you powerful tricks and hacks and the tools on how to progress and grow your YouTube channel. There are more videos over here on my channel. After watching this particular video, let me see you under any of the videos over here on my channel to help you grow your YouTube channel massively. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section, but let me know where you're watching the particular video from. Drop it at the comment section. And hey, how many subscribers do you have? That's very important. Put it at the comment section. I have a special support for you. But there is this particular video, this special video over here that I have for you. It's very special for me. And you know what? This particular video is going to help you get your first 1,000 subscribers. A lot of you guys have been struggling on how to get your 1,000 subscribers. There is this YouTube studio hack I was able to uncover, and that helped me to get my 1,000 subscribers within 7 good days. And this is the video. Watch it right now, and hey, you're going to break the code. See you next time in the next video.